Guess the animal by its sound. Can you guess this animal? It's a lion! Can you guess this animal? It's a tiger! Can you guess this animal? It's a cat! Can you guess this animal? It's a giraffe! Can you guess this animal? It's a dog! Can you guess this animal? It's an elephant! Can you guess this animal? It's a cow! Can you guess this animal? It's a horse! Can you guess this animal? It's a zebra! Thank you for watching! Subscribe to our channel! Let's learn about the sense of taste. There are 4 basic types of taste: sweet, salty, sour, bitter. Let's learn about taste buds and their location on the tongue. Sweet taste. The taste buds for sweet taste are on the tip of the tongue. Let's have some examples for the sweet taste. Chocolate, ice cream, candy, fruits. Salty taste. The taste buds for salty taste are on either side of the front of the tongue. Examples of food with a salty taste are chips, popcorn, French fries, olives. Sour taste. The taste buds for sour taste are on either side of the tongue. Let's have some examples for the sour taste. Lemon, vinegar, yogurt, orange, bitter taste. The taste buds for bitter taste are located at the back of the tongue. Let's have some examples for the bitter taste. Dark chocolate, coffee, medicine, neem plant. Now let's have a little quiz. How does dark chocolate taste? Yes, you are right. Dark chocolate tastes bitter. How does popcorn taste? Yes, you are right. Popcorn tastes salty. How does candy taste? Yes, you are right. Candy tastes sweet. How does yogurt taste? Yes, you are right. Yogurt tastes sour. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel.